Namaste, IJVN Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Department Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is duties of healthcare professional in the surveillance of the health concept. Identify and describe each individual having an infection as quickly as possible after exposure. Determine the source of infections. Identify exposed individual to whom the infections may have been transmitted. Specify the frequency of occurrence of infection in population group at risk by the person, place and time. Identify population that are experiencing or might experience an increased frequency of infection. Prepare and distribute surveillance report to healthcare professionals participating in disease prevention and control activities. What is the type of surveillance? There are the two types of surveillance, passive surveillance and active surveillance. Passive surveillance recipient of report of infection diseases from the physicians, laboratories and other healthcare professionals requires to submit such report as defined as the public health legislations. And active disease surveillance is also based on the public health legislations and refer to the daily, weekly, monthly, connecting the physician, hospital, laboratories, schools and other to actively search for the cases, usually regional and done during these disease outbreaks. Then the conclusion, understanding diseases pathology is the first step toward the formulating preventive measures. Prevention can be achieved in any stage of the diseases. Premarital or primary prevention is the most effective and economical. Disease control is also a part of prevention in which achieved by the means of continuous monitoring and surveillance of diseases. So this is the concept of diseases. Now the topic is what is the social aspects of health and illness. So the most common major risk factor for the chronic diseases: smoking, poor diet, lot of saturating fat, sugar, few fruits, vegetable fibers, stress and low control, high consumption of alcohol, poor hygiene, injuries and sedentary lifestyles. So cultural belief that behind every client problem are the few core and the belief and few keys attitudes, and many of them originate from the cultural that the client grow up in that of the cause of that damage, most of the damages. So when the client search for the explanation for their own and other behavior, they usually choose the culture attribution first. The sociology of the health and illnesses examines the interaction between the society and health to see how the social life has an impact on the morbidity and mortality rate and vice versa. Sociologists have demonstrated that the spread of the disease is heavily influenced by the socio-economic status of the individual, ethnic traditions or belief and other cultural factors. The sociology of health and illness, there are the obvious difference in the patterns of health and illness across the society over the time and within particular society time. There has historically been long-term decline in mortality with industrialized societies and an average life expectancies are considerable higher in developed rather than the developing or undeveloped society. When documented that vulnerable groups have less access to the dental services, worse oral health and disproportionate burden of the oral health and silent epidemic of oral diseases affecting out most vulnerable citizens who are children, the healthy and other many members are racial and ethnic minority group. Socio-economic status and health individual is the lower socio-economic group report more stressors than those in the higher end than stresses are frequently linked directly to their maternal or material conditions. The less well-off have less control over their environment and fewer personal resources to moderate the impact of such stresses than the better off. There is a substantial evidence that both men and women who have a small number of social contact are more likely to die earlier than those who have more extended network. Social aspects of the gender and health, women on average live longer than the men do. The more obvious explanation of this difference are biological estrogens, for example, delay onset of CHD chronic heart diseases by reducing the clotting tendency and blood cholesterol level. Minority status of health. There is a strong association between the ethnicity and health status. Some of the variation in health outcome may be explained by the differences in behavior across ethnic group. Ethnicity may also confer different sexual norms and behavior that may impact on the health. The most common exposure of the root of for the HIV infection among white of though the sexual intercourse between the man black though heterosexual with list as for the Asians it is mixed for both. Ethnic minority experience wider source for the stress than whites of the consequences of discrimination and racial harassment and the demand of the maintaining of shifting culture. They may also experience more problems in the gaining access to the health service. So, work condition and health, the demand of their job, the latitude the workers has dealing with these demands and the support available to them. What is the religion and mental physical health? Heart disease and religion CAD vary across different religion group, diet, health, behavior and quality and of social and family life probably account for much of these differences. Hypertension and the religion, there is the mounting evidence that the involvement in organized religion can provide individuals with greater social support, enhancement self-esteem and reduce the negative effect of the stress on the blood pressure. Religious and modernity, frequent religious attendance is associated with substantial reduction in the risk of dying within a 5 to 28 years follow-up period. Religious and health behavior. Religious people are less likely to engage in unhealthy behavior such as cigarette smoking, alcohol, drug abuse, premarital, extramarital affairs, and risk-taking behavior. Religious and depression, people that are frequently involved in the religious community and who highly esteemed their religious faith for intrinsic reasons may run less risk for becoming depressed. Religious are and marital stability. Couples that have enjoyed satisfying long-term marriages often critique religious as key factor of their success. Religious and personality trait, there is a robust positive association between the high level of religious and spiritual involvement and low level of hostility and high level of hope. Some religious problem solving style may allow the religious people to maintain an internal locus of control while believing that God is also in control. This combination may help religious people maintain health and recover more quickly from the life stress. So this is the social aspect of health and illness. So our next topic is social problem. Current social problems like drug addiction, dependence, or alcoholism, STDs, vagrancy, juvenile delinquency, and prostitution. Social health problems. A disease may be termed as social problem, and its social relevance becomes quite high when following happen when it has got predominant behavior component, and its causation when it's widespread over the large geographic area, and its affect many, increase in the incidence and increase in prevalence also. So social health problem, it serves in mortality is very high, led to the permanent disability and crippling, lead to discrimination and ostracism when it disrupt trends and affect the economy of no nation. Primarily economically productive population is affected. Social health problem like growth and development of the children is affected when treatment is outreach for many, when the disease is incurable. Social problem like behavior components, population explosion, high fertility, early marriage, adverse sex ratio or falling child sex ratio, female ferticides, infanticides, gender biases, and so smoking and tobacco, alcohol abuse, habit of smoking in the family or the peer group. Social acceptability seems as a social status, accident and suicides, rash driving, disobeying traffic rules, driving under the influences of the alcohol, drug and stress, HIV/AIDS and STDs, pre-extramarital sex, unprotected sex with the multiple sexual partners, mental disorder and behavior problems and children, broken families, problem families, adjustment disorder, inability to cope with the stress, insensitive environment, open field, defecation, non-acceptance of latrines and toilets, poor person hygiene, leprosy and tuberculosis, social stigmas, fear of losing jobs, and low or non-utilization of treatment facilities and fatalistic attitudes. Prostitution, urban social problem, age-old social evil, cause changes in the environment, breakdown of inter-family relations, parental discord, lack of affections, and illegitimacy is in excess of the money and wealth, low IQ level, low morals, poverty, GI pass. The suppressions of immoral traffic act on women and girls ban in the commercialized organization form and amended and ratified in 1986 as Immoral Traffic Prevention Act. Delinquent on showing deviations from normal behavior and its commitment of offense, the theft, sexual assault, murder, and burglary, great social problem, causes that the social maladjustment, poverty, disturbed home, drug addiction, alcoholism, adoptions of modern lifestyle. This is the causes. The Child Act in 1960 Prevention and Control of the Juvenile Drugs provides specialized approach toward the care, protection, maintenance, training, rehab of delinquent children, institution of juvenile and children court, child behavior board, remand home, certified schools after their facilities. So that is all about this topic. So thank you so much. Namaste. If you have